Heyo, duckies! Andi here. You guys know Exeldro, right? Yep, he's back with a brand new OBS plugin. Let's get into it. Put your rock over the stone. So this came about because I was making StreamUP products and everyone was saying I keep getting this error. Most of the time in these products, I use Stream Effects to do source mirrors, and a lot of you didn't want to update to the alpha version of Stream Effects. So I asked Exeldro to make a new plugin for making a copy of a source. So here is Source Clone. You can either download it by using our OBS plugin installer on the StreamUP website, or download it from the OBS forum here as usual. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'd always recommend using the installer, but you can install it manually by downloading the zip file and putting it into your root OBS-studio folder that's usually in your program files. Leave the OBS website up as we will need it later. Oh, and whilst we're at it, take a second, press that like button to tell YouTube to recommend this video to more people, which will help me a bunch too, especially as this is my full-time job now. Opening OBS upon install, you can add source clone as a source. Press the plus sign and press source clone. On the clone setting, you can select the source you wish to clone. I will use this image source. If your source has audio like a game capture or something similar, you can click the tick box to allow audio to be cloned too. This video buffer box will allow you to save some computer resources by basically lowering the quality of the source, from full quality all the way down to quarter of the quality. If you're about to call me out for not being accurate, I'm just simplifying this terminology, but feel free to call me out in the comments, you little trolls. This is a great feature if you are wanting to make the source small, as you won't really see a difference in quality, but your PC will thank you. Now you're thinking, why would I need this? Say you have a scene with a source on, but on another scene you want the same source but different filters on it, like for when you want to make special effects and other things. A source clone will let you do just that. It will clone a source so it will look exactly the same, but it will act as another source altogether, meaning you can add filters and other adjustments to it without affecting the original source. Trust me, this will help keep your OBS organized and is a must-have in your streams. Exeldro is also wanting to improve this and his other plugins, so if you have any ideas, bugs, or anything, please let him know on his GitHub page or in the relevant OBS discussion tab. Now we can jump back to the OBS website. You will need to press login. You may need to create an account. Once done, hit the leave a rating button. Tell Exeldro how awesome the plugin is. A thank you is the least he deserves. If you have any questions on anything, I do a stream here on YouTube every Wednesday at 8 PM GMT, where I pretty much answer anything you throw at me, so make sure you have notifications on so you don't miss it. If you can't wait until then, click the playlist here, as I'm sure your answer will be there. Or maybe you want to see more OBS plugins, so click here. See you over there, duckies. Put your rock in for the stone.